All right, I've been waiting to make this video for a while now. I got these in on Friday. Unfortunately, I was at a trip, so I couldn't actually talk about this, but I just got this from Xarmony. It is the new Vanilla collection. I cannot wait to unbox and give first impressions. So here, let's unbox this right now. Probably should have brought scissors with me. You know what? You can just tear it. Yeah. Trying. Yeah. There we go. Awesome sauce. So here we go. Check this out. So I just got this in. I want to give a shout out to Trill. Thank you so much for this. So it came in this. Open this. I have 4 fragrances in there. Look at that. So what do we got? Let's open this one first. Bottom left. I can get it out. There we go. So the first one is Vanilla X Marshmallow. Excited to test that. Top left is Vanilla X Oud. Top right. Bottom came out almost. Here we go. Here we go. This one is Vanilla X Plum. And the final one is Vanilla X Moonlight. Talk about a name. Vanilla X Moonlight. Okay. So I'm going to wear one today. Which one should I wear? I think I'm going to go with... Oh, that's right. I had Trill. So I was on a live with Trill earlier, and I let him pick my scent. He said to do Vanilla X Oud today. So this will be my scent of the day. I'm going to film that in a different video. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to wear each one of these each day. And then the next day do a follow-up video letting you know what they smell like. So cannot wait to talk about these 4 fragrances. Vanilla X Moonlight, Vanilla X Plum, Vanilla X Marshmallow, and Vanilla X Oud. So again, this is the new vanilla line from Xarmony. So I'll tag Xarmony down below. If you're interested in any of their products, use my code NUBS10 to save 10% off your order. So cannot wait to talk about these new additions to the family. So hope you have a great day. This is Nubs Fragrance. Talk to you soon.